Good morning. It's Tuesday at like, I don't know, 9 something a.m. This town is dead. It's so quiet. So we're looking for something to eat. How'd you sleep?
I slept okay. Okay. I've had better sleeps. The back still asleep.
I've only seen these on YouTube, but they're like, and I missed the part of her pouring it in, but they like, we're struggling to find food. We found some bananas for Hayes, but I did find this thing that I've only seen on YouTube, which is they sell like these bag drinks and these cups of ice separately, and then they pour it in for you right there.
Get in!
Yesterday we saw people driving these ridiculous electric tricycle, whatever vehicles all around the town, and we thought, we need to get one of those.
Are they driving on the right here or on the left?
Good question.
Where we go?
Wait for me.
I want this one.
Alright, I know we sounded unsure of if we like the choco pies, but we found ourselves back at a choco pie shop. This time the really famous one. Also, this country is so clean, but I can't find trash cans anywhere.
This is way better.
Our first stop in our new vehicle was to this mural village, which I'm pretty sure we weren't supposed to drive to because we went on a main road and up a hill. We were told to not do both of those things. Sorry, Mom and Dad. And unlike the mural village we went to in Seoul in I think the last vlog, this one we've already seen murals. Art village and still hungry. I know all we're doing is riding around and eating. That's accurate. But they have this thing called a Bibimbap waffle, which we saw on YouTube we didn't know about before, but since we've been in Korea have learned about. Anyway, they ate it. We're gonna eat it. Pete's already eating it.
Oh wow. It's delicious. You got this like, oh, it's like a rice waffle on the outside. And then you got some lettuce, got some meat in here, some carrots, cabbage. It's delicious. It's really, really good. And it's like wrapped in like a what do you call that? It's like
Cabbage?
no, like the Vietnamese spring rolls.
Oh, okay.
It's very good. Oh, a little bit of spice to it. Delicious.
The reason that really works is because the best part of dolsat bibimbap for me is like the crusty rice at the bottom of the pot. And this, the waffle is made from rice, and so it's like all the crunchy brown bits.
That's what I was trying to say, but you just did it like 100 times better.
I'm going on bed.
I think that bridge is going to be the highlight of your video.
That was really fun, but we're supposed to return this thing in like 3 minutes.
Oh my gosh. I don't think we're going to make it. I don't think
Oh, it's right here? I didn't know it was right here. We've been successfully avoiding this for the last 24 hours, but I guess it was only a matter of time. It's the afternoon now during Hayes' nap. Pete had a little cheeky nap too. I edited in what I think is my favorite spot that I've edited in this year, maybe. It's so peaceful out here, and they've got this like traditional setup situation. The weather is wonderful. There's a slight breeze. There's flowers everywhere. It's just really great. And now Hayes has woken up, and all he wants to do is play cars in this little outside area that we have here. And so I'm gonna enjoy the beer that the lady gave us last night. Cheers.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey!
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, maybe not throw the tickets on the ground. Okay. It's telling you you can go. You can go. It's okay.
We're gonna get all that's good when the time's right. Oh, when the time's right. Get inside the stream that we've always had. Oh, 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 gotta get inside that dream where it's always at.
We've come to this beautiful shrine, and Pete has told Hayes that there's probably a fountain with fishies, and there's not. So we're on the hunt. It's really lovely, and there's lots of people in the hanboks, which I still can't get over. I think it's the coolest tradition. The fact that so many people are dressed up, just walking around all these sites is really magical.
Are those your fishies?
No, but you don't rock.
Oh, those are rocks.
You chop this rock down. You chop this rock.
What do you want me to do with it?
Chop it.
Chop it? Why?
Chop it.
Why? What happens if you chop it?
Car come out.
Every time?
You chop it down.
Yeah, but sometimes it doesn't work, does it?
Now we've come to a traditional market, but we realized what we read about was actually the night market, which is only Fridays and Saturdays. And we're here and it's like almost 6 o'clock, so it's probably not even a good time to be at the normal market. Here we are.
But we're making the most of it.
Oh, I didn't get you in frame, sorry.
Story of my life, I'm never in frame. It's okay, 'cause I'm not the star of the show. He is.
I really like these Korean style aprons, and I might get one and send it home with my mom and dad.
Do you need any scissors?
No.
Hey, we saw some fishies. They're just dried.
Dinner time now, and instead of walking through the town that we've walked through a dozen times, we walked along the river, which was really cool, and Pete is very proud of this time lapse.
Going up there and down
Yeah.
and up river.
Oh. Yeah.
Farted?
Anybody home?
For dinner, we're having tteokgalbi, which is like patty beef short ribs made into patties. The thing about traveling for a year is that you encounter bugs to eat so frequently. We've had them in Thailand, we've had them in Mexico multiple times, and it seems like one of our banchan here is silkworms. So I'll let Pete try first. You want to try a silkworm? Not good?
Not a fan. It's very chewy, very crunchy, very bug-like. I need some kimchi.
Eat your food, you can eat that.
Thank you.
Could be
Pete is still complaining about this. I really don't want to. Really. That's the worst one. I'm so sorry to anybody Korean watching. That's my least favorite bug I've had since we've been traveling. I did it. Okay, I apologize for not liking the silkworms, but this tteokgalbi is delicious. It's like the Korean version of kofta or something. It's really melts in your mouth good. And the panchan at this restaurant is some of my favorite. I love these Korean fish cakes. I don't know what they're called from at home Korean restaurants, but we haven't actually had them here yet. It's delicious. There's this like soft tofu that's really nice. Everything else is great. Silkworms. This makes our second ice cream of the day. But I was watching a YouTube video of Korean Englishmen and they ate here and I wasn't looking for it, but then I saw it and it's on the way home. So what it is it's a marshmallow wrapped around ice cream that she's now torching. Looks like this. I think it's gonna taste good. 감사합니다. It's gonna be hot though, Hazy. Should we wait for it to cool down? Maybe it's just ice cream? I really don't understand it. You have to bite it. Now we can go home, and as you see, the sun has not set yet. Welcome to our life. How'd you sleep last night?
Slept better than the first night.
We haven't really given like a full-blown tour.
Open this.
So I think you've seen it a few times now. Hayes found our stash of Hot Wheels. But yeah, this is a Hanok traditional house where they sleep on the floor, which is what we've been doing the last 2 nights. And this morning we're headed to Busan. Good morning, how are you? That's the lady that runs our guest house. She's so kind. She is gonna help us get a taxi to the train station. So that concludes this video in Jeonju, and if you want to see what we get up to in Busan,
subscribe, give this video a like, check out all our other videos here in Korea. Cheers! Thanks for watching!